Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild jungle of consumerism. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. We're comparing the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050WA powerful option and the CORSAIR RM650, a reliable choice for your PC needs. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your rig. First up, let's talk about price. The Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 is priced at $169. Reviewers appreciate its quality, but some mention issues with reliability. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM650 comes in at $89, and many users rave about its stability and value for money. It's clear that while the Toughpower offers more wattage, the CORSAIR wins the round for affordability. Now, let's get modular. The Toughpower GFA3 features fully modular low-profile flat cables, making it flexible. However, some reviews point out installation challenges. Meanwhile, the CORSAIR RM650 is also fully modular, allowing users to grab only the cables they need, which many find easy to manage and install. Both are modular, but CORSAIR's ease of installation gives it a slight edge. Next, let's talk about noise levels. The Toughpower GFA3 is reported to be extremely quiet, with users noting its whisper-like operation. However, there are some concerns about reliability. The CORSAIR RM650 is also praised for being quiet, with a 120mm fan that operates smoothly. Reviewers appreciate its low noise, making both options great for quiet builds, but the CORSAIR seems to be the preferred choice for overall performance. Lastly, we dive into capacity and efficiency. The Toughpower GFA3 boasts a hefty 1050W, perfect for high-performance builds, but some reviewers have had reliability issues. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM650 delivers 650W with an 80 PLS Gold certification, ensuring high efficiency and stability. Many users find it perfect for mid-range setups. So if you're building a powerhouse, the Toughpower is your go-to, but for reliability and efficiency, the CORSAIR is the better choice. In summary, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 is a powerful option with a few reliability concerns, while the CORSAIR RM650 shines with its affordability and stability. Both have their strengths, making them suitable for different types of users. So, there you have it. The Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 is a heavyweight champion in wattage, while the CORSAIR RM650 is the budget-friendly, quiet option that gets the job done. Let us know in the comments which PSU you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links.